Hello and thank you for tuning in. Today I want to talk about Black Clover, the recent development. Black Clover is one of my favorite manga. I really try to keep on up to date with each new released chapter. And the last chapter showed us the angels invading into the world, into the kingdom of the sun, the realm of the sun. It's not really clear at this point how the the country Yami originated, and the Clover Kingdom, or the continent, was the Clover, Spade, Heart, and Diamond kingdoms. This continent that housed the story, the most of the story that happened in Black Clover. How these two places are related, how far they're apart geographically, if they're in different dimensions, realms, whatever. Um, the Black Clover universe seems to have different realms. There seems to be a demon realm or devil realm and a human realm. Some fans speculated that it might be a world inspired by Norse mythology, Yggdrasil. Might also be a world inspired by Abrahamic religions, by Judaism, Christianity, and Islamic lore, Christian lore. A world that is divided into heaven, the living world, and hell. Not quite clear. We will see. Either way, the story the story took kind of a detour, and it seemed clear, I think, to many fans that Asta needed some kind of power up, and it was, in what way could Asta's power up? He got his key reading, he got his anti-magic, devil union, so it's not like he would just boost into a new improved devil union mode from one moment to another. I think that would have been kind of lame, and it still stands. It still stands the question how Zetten, or um this power that's been introduced recently, how that works mechanically. It seems not to be a pure magic ability, but seems to be working in tandem with magic. So being possible to be used along with magic and increasing the potency of magic and anti-magic in the case of Asta. So it will be really interesting also to see how this fares against the devils. On the other hand, it will be interesting to see what devils Lucius, the actual personality of the Wizard King, Julius, um, has, because it seems one of the devil slash angels accompanying Sister Lily seems to be a character that was believed to be dead, the adversary faced by Asta and Magna pretty early in the story. The adversary being able to use ice magic that got taken down by Asta and Magna. So, might Lucius have someone or himself the ability to bring back people from the dead? What is the deal with purifying devils, turning them into angels? We will see. Um, it's very interesting that we get some explanation on Yami's heritage. For a long time, I believed that Tabata would just leave it unexplained as a kind of cliffhanger to the fandom. Like, he's kind of like some isekai character, some other world character reincarnated into the Black Clover world, but opposed to him being the main character in an isekai story, him being the side story, a side character, and Asta being the main character. So I always thought Yami was, I think, one of the fan favorites. Always was an interesting character, but I believed we would maybe not get a real explanation. I thought Tabata might leave that just unexplained for no reason. But yeah, we will now get, I think, explanations. We got the world of Yami introduced, his sister, and it will also be interesting to see how much relevance will be given to the other world, if it's just gonna be a detour, if Asta's just gonna spend a few chapters there and then going back, or if that world is actually gonna be relevant for a longer part of the story. Will we see an interaction between Yami's sister and Yami? I think so. I hope so. That would be terrific. I mean, Yami is an interesting character, and I think there is some things that need to be talked between these two characters. Um, Something that seems odd is Yami's sister seems awfully strong, like awfully strong. I get it. The story needs to progress and show some kind of way for Asta to grow, but it seems almost as if Yami's sister is at least on par, if not stronger, than Yami himself. Interesting to see.